Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you look for any updates for your apps on your Motorola Razr. For that, you want to go to your Play Store and then click on your account and then go to Manage Apps and Device. And you have here the point updates available. I have 35 updates pending. I can click on Update All to update them all, but I can also click on See Details and then I have an overview of which app can be updated. I can now choose one app and say update. Let's update I don't know, the Android accessibility update, and you see 34 updates available. I also have the option here to click update all, then everything will be updated, but I'm not going to do that now. So that's how you look for updates for your apps, because maybe, I don't know, they don't run the way you're used to, or there's something else wrong with it. And then you can update them and hopefully they will run smoother than before. Maybe it's something in the background, maybe it's a new design, maybe you see it, maybe you don't. But yeah, that's how you look for updates for your apps on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.